the artisans, which artisans have always been complete. So we
So tourism has been declared as a industry, has been given the status of industry in J&K, and all benefits that are available to the industry in terms of the JK industrial policy, in terms of the JK land allotment policy, in terms of the new central sector scheme, which has about 28,000 crores of incentives, are available to the tourism sector. And we are working with all the participants in the tourism sector to ensure that they get the maximum benefit of all the policies and support of the government. As I mentioned from the dais also, we will have special workshops for our colleagues from the tourism sector so that they can understand all the policies, and we will help them register for these schemes and take advantage of these schemes.
When we talk about the GST part, so do you believe that it's a great initiative when we have the downfall, especially because right now the tourism sector is so booming all around? But as we have seen, Chaya Sahab had already requested it is connected with the packages as well. So this government has going to be taking the steps on that.
So under the new central sector scheme, the registered units will get a 300% return or a GST link incentive with a maximum amount of 300% of the investment in plant and machinery. I think with that incentive on offer, this request for lowering of GST rates is not relevant as of now.
How personally you believe that this factor will be the booming factor for the next coming years, especially for the tourism part, when there is an industry connection?
The industry support is one part. I think the second part that we all are aware of is that there's a huge interest amongst tourists from all over the country in coming to J&K. So the demand is phenomenal. People want to come here, people want to experience the beauty of J&K, and I think with the support from the government, the demand that has emerged, I think tourism is set for a home run.
Any sort of amendments, new steps to be taken, especially when we talk about the industries, tourism and other part of the society, because we have seen change from the last couple of years.
As I mentioned to you, Honorable LG Sir has directed that the Revenue Administration to find new land parcels for hotels in all the districts, especially the far-flung districts.
Okay.
At the same time, the government has also started a process of investment of some of the tourism properties, so that the initiative, both these initiatives will increase the number of tourism properties, and that will overall benefit the sector overall. Okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now I would request Mr. I now once again request.
Very good.
Now I would request. Now I would. I now request.
A number of places with historical and cultural significance. In addition to traditional recreational tourism, there exists tourism and film tourism, to name a few. Strengthening investment environment in UT of Jammu and Kashmir would help guests, would help generate more and more employment.
Thank you so much. Thanks everyone who we would love to honor, and for that I would request
सर सामने देखिए एक मिनट थैंक यू
and now I would request
एक मिनट सर
I would request Mr. Mushtaq Chaya sir to kindly
76 hoteliers सारी कंट्री से कश्मीर आया है, श्रीनगर आया है। उसके लिए मैं प्रदीप सेठी प्रेसिडेंट को मुबारकबाद दे रहा हूँ। ही मेक इट और कश्मीर उसके लिए मशहूर है।
जहाँ तक एम्प्लॉयमेंट का ये है, जब नई प्रॉपर्टीज़ यहाँ खुलेंगी, नई इन्वेस्टमेंट्स होंगी तो डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट होगा, क्योंकि इसके लिए तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, तो इसलिए डेफिनेटली ये चीज़ हो जाएगी।
ऑलरेडी काफ़ी ज़्यादा टूरिज्म यहाँ पर बूस्ट हो रहा है, प्रमोट हो रहा है, तो आपको लगता है कि विद दिस मीटिंग स्टेक होल्डर्स मीट तो इससे ज़्यादा और प्रमोट होगा?
ये जो HRA का जो आपस में इनका कोलैबोरेशन होगा, उसमें काफ़ी सारे लोग जो आते हैं जाते हैं, इसमें 30% डिस्काउंट जो आपस में इनका मिलता है, जो इसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन करते हैं, डेफिनेटली जो टूरिज़्म का फ्लो है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा और काम ज़्यादा होगा।
ये प्रोग्राम ही उसी वास्ते है ताकि सारे कंट्री को पता लगे कि कश्मीर में कितना पीस है, कितना टूरिज़्म है, कितना नया आने की ज़रूरत है।
सर यहाँ पर करीब 70 ऐसे होटलियर्स आए हैं। ये भी जिस तरह से हमने सुना कि शायद GST भी सब्साइड यहाँ पर किया जाएगा आने वाले दिनों में, और कहीं एक ऐसे नए होटल्स भी बनाए जाएंगे।
देखिए फराई जो ये आए हैं 76 होटलियर, फराई हमारे हिंदुस्तान की सबसे बड़ी एसोसिएशन है टूरिज़्म की। इनका बड़ा ये हर एक चीज़ वहाँ मसला हल कराते हैं। हमें पूरी उम्मीद है ये हमारी भी एडवोकेसी करेंगे और हमें सपोर्ट करके जो भी हमने इनको बताया, वो GST के मुतालिक बताया या जो भी ईज़ ऑफ डूइंग ऑफ बिज़नेस की बातें हुई, हमें पूरी उम्मीद है ये भी बहुत मदद करेंगे। और एक मैसेज सारे कंट्री में गई कि कश्मीर जो जन्नत है ही ये, तो ये भी बड़े उसके खुद ही इन्होंने तारीफ़ की।